Heater installation procedure. Step 1. Position the clip on the wall. Using the given nail, fix the clip securely to the wall. The clip can be installed on concrete walls, PVC walls, or puff walls. Fixing the clip will create a 1-inch clearance between the panel heater and the wall. Step 2. Attach the metal supporter. Find the metal supporter included in the installation kit. Attach the metal supporter securely to the wall, ensuring it aligns with the mounting clip. Step 3. Hang the panel heater. With the mounting clip and metal supporter in place, carefully hang the panel heater onto the wall. Ensure the heater is level and properly secured in position. Step 4. Connect and set up the power. If your model includes a climate control device, plug the heater into the climate control device. Then plug the device into the main power socket. Set the climate control device to 21 degrees Celsius for a cozy warm feeling. If there is no climate control device, simply plug the heater directly into the power. We recommend not switching off the panel heater manually. Allow the climate control device to turn it off once it reaches the desired temperature. Position the climate control device on the left, right or downside of the panel for optimal temperature regulation.